Okay, today the Houston Health Department is reporting 1,137 new cases of COVID-19. That's 1,137 new cases, bringing the total case count for the city of Houston to 99,396. The total number of deaths is increasing by 3, and that brings our total death count to 1,140. My number is 1,444. So I don't know which one is right. Yeah, but okay, well, I think it's 1,444. Okay, so I think that number may be off. But anyway, increasing the number of people that have died in the last 24 hours as a result of COVID-19 that number is by 3. So yesterday, the U.S. reported, I think, well over 3,000 deaths in a 24-hour period, which is a reflection of the impact that this virus is having on people throughout the United States. And so we are paying very, very close attention to what is occurring right here in Houston. The virus has taken a heavy toll across the country, and so we are continuing to encourage people to put on their masks, to engage in their social distancing, and to wash your hands. Earlier today, I joined family and friends and Chief Osservator and others to say goodbye to Senior Police Officer Ernest Leal, Jr., who died of COVID. He dedicated almost 36 years of his life to our city, and we can honor his memory by just wearing a mask, practicing social distancing, washing our hands frequently, and getting tested to slow the spread of the virus. And certainly I don't think that is too much. That is too much to ask. Let me remind people that we have yet to experience the potential surge from the Thanksgiving holiday weekend. And so, again, if you travel or if people travel to your home, or if you were in the midst of large gatherings over the Thanksgiving weekend, from that Thursday through, let's say, Monday morning, I'm encouraging you to get tested if you have not already gotten tested. Please get tested. And if you were a part of these large gatherings, please keep your mask on and to try to quarantine yourself, isolate yourself from others until you have gotten tested and received your results. So please take it seriously. I'm also, again, reminding these bars that are now serving as restaurants, people that are holding events, for example, in these clubs, to please operate within, to reduce the number of people that you're having at your establishments in order to maintain some degree of social distancing, or at the very minimum, make sure that everyone in your establishments are wearing masks. I'm also indicating to people, if you walk into an establishment and it is already crowded, I would strongly advise you to turn around and go someplace else, preferably home. And so I'm asking you to do that. I'm asking these owners of these businesses to bring down your crowd size. And I'm making this plea again to you. I don't want anybody to say that to the extent, for example, I elect to put in a curfew in the evening, that I didn't ask people over and over and over again to be mindful of the ramifications of the community spread of this virus. And as you can see today, I'm reporting 1,137 cases in the city of Houston. So again, I'm asking those who are business owners, those patrons, people who are attending these gatherings, to be mindful of the health risks that exist, and that you need to modify your behavior, and you need to self-control yourselves, as all of that will be helpful. So again, I just want to make sure I'm saying it over and over and over again, so people will know. We are looking at the hospital numbers continue to tick up, not as fast as was taking place in June, July, and August, but they're ticking up nonetheless. What we do know from this virus, or the effects of this virus, it can literally go from 0 to 60 very, very, very quickly.